Taximan seen brutally beating his colleague remanded for a psychiatric evaluation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A psychiatric evaluation has been ordered for the taxi operator who was seen in a viral video footage brutally assaulting another taxi operator in Mandeville, Manchester late last month. Nicklon Scott, otherwise called Ronnie, a 44-year-old taxi operator of Wind Road, Mandeville in the parish, appeared in the Manchester Parish Court on Wednesday. He was charged with attempted murder by the police. Following the order of a psychiatric evaluation by the presiding judge, Scott was remanded in custody for this. He is to return to court on September 6 when the case will be mentioned again. Reports from the Mandeville police are that on Thursday, July 29, Scott and one of his colleagues had an argument over a passenger, during which Scott attacked the taxi operator with a piece of wood, hitting him several times and subsequently attempting to drive a motor car over the victim while he was lying on the ground. The victim was rushed to the Mandeville hospital where he was admitted in serious condition. Scott was arrested by a police officer at the scene of the incident and was charged on Monday of this week. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel for the latest news report.